Hey guys, I am Kyle. In today's video, I am going to show you how to make Vegeta in Infinite Craft fastest method. So let's get started. So the first one that we would need is we're gonna go for wind and earth to create dust. So you would have this and then you'd have dust. And then once you have dust, is that the next thing that you would do is to just simply go for fire right here. And then you wanna go for water next right here. And then you'd have steam. Once you have steam, the next thing that you should do is go for earth right here. Once you have earth, you want to add water into earth, and then you'd have plant. Once you have plant, then the next thing is to go for earth again, add it to dust right here. You'd have planet. And then now once you have planet, you want to add plant into steam to have tea. And once you have tea, the next thing that you should do is to go for wind into the planet right here, and you'd have storm. And then once you have storm, add it into T, and now you have tempest. Once you have tempest, add planet into it to create storm again. And then once you have storm, you want to go for T right here, and then you'd have tempest again. And then once you have tempest, you want to go for plant right here so that you'd have tree. And then once you have tree, you would want to go for another plant to create forest. Once you have forest, is that the next thing is you want to go for water, and then add another water right here to create lake. Once you have lake, you want to go for another forest into forest to create jungle. And then once you have the jungle and lake, you want to go into planet right here. And then once you have planet, add steam into it to create steampunk. Once you have steampunk, you want to add water into the lake. And then you'd have ocean, and then you want to add dust into jungle to create monkey. And then once you have this, then the next thing is you want to go for fire right here. And then you want to go for steam next into fire to create engine. And then once you have engine, the next thing is you want to go for ocean into steampunk to create steampunk pirate. Once you have steampunk pirate, you want to add monkey into engine to create monkey wrench. And then once you have these two, the next thing is you want to go for planet, and then another planet to create star. Once you have star, you want to go for earth right here, and then you want to go for fire into earth to create lava. And then once you have lava, the next thing that you should do is you go for wind, and then add it into steampunk parrot, and then you'd have airship. And now once you have this, the next thing that you should do is to combine monkey wrench with dust, and then you'd have robot. Once you have robot, the next thing that you should do is to just simply add star into star right here. So create galaxy, and then combine airship with lava to create dragon. Once you have dragon, combine galaxy with robot, you'd have cyborg. And then once you have dragon and cyborg, you want to combine it with dragon and cyborg, so that you'd have Dragon Ball Z. Once you have Dragon Ball Z, you want to add wind into it to create Goku, and then add earth into it to create Vegeta. And that is basically how you do it in creating Vegeta in Infinite Craft. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.